Okay, there are really great installation videos online coming with this product, so I'm going to show you the installation, but I'm not going to just go into all the details. I'm going to replace this Deadbolt with that new Wi-Fi smart one. We'll see how easy or difficult it really is. Okay, pretty basic install. If you've ever done a door before, just do what you think you're supposed to do and it'll work. I did notice that the batteries, once I had 4 batteries in there, it went ahead and turned on. So I guess having 8 in there is just extra, so it'll last longer. So anyway, let's put it to the test, a few real life scenarios, and see if this thing is worth the money. The app is called ToYaSmart. And once you've got the app open, you connect your device. And then from a distance, you can unlock by holding, or you can lock by holding. And you can also set temporary passwords amongst other things. So here I'm going to set the password as all even numbers. So let's go 2, 4, 6, 8, and then 2, 4. It needs to be 6 to 8 digits long. I'm going to choose the expiration date on this, and we'll make it expire in a few hours. And then I'm going to save. And that's done. All right, then you can share that code with someone else. And let's say you're at work and you need to let somebody in. You can give them this temporary password, which is, I wake it up and say 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, unlock, and you've unlocked. This is a really cool lock. We're really happy with it. There's lots and lots of other features. Those are the highlights. Hope that helps. Also, this was sent to me for honest review. That is my honest review. Would highly recommend it, especially at this price. Really like it.